Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Heto ang game schedule ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 Wendo 2, November 21, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Japan at Mongolia alas 6:05 ng gabi. Magtutuos naman ang South Korea at Indonesia alas 6:30 ng gabi. Maghaharap naman ang Chinese Taipei at Hong Kong alas 7 ng gabi. Maglalaban din ang Gilas Pilipinas at New Zealand alas 7:30 ng gabi na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Magharap din ang China at Guam alas 7:30 ng gabi. Maglalaban naman ang Thailand at Australia alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang game schedule ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 Window 2, November 22, 2024 Philippine Time. Magsasalpukan ng India at Qatar alas 8:30 ng gabi. Magharap naman ang Iran at Kazakhstan alas 9:30 ng gabi. Magtutuos naman ang United Arab Emirates at Lebanon alas 11:30 ng gabi. Heto naman ang game schedule ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 Window 2, November 23, 2024 Philippine Time. Magtutuos ang Jordan at Iraq alas 12 ng madaling araw. Maglalaban naman ang Bahrain at Syria alas 12 ng madaling araw. Maghaharap naman ang Palestine at Saudi Arabia alas 12:45 ng madaling araw. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang game schedule ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 Window 2, November 24, 2024 Philippine Time. Magsasalpukan ang Guam at Japan alauna ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang South Korea at Australia alas 2 ng hapon. Maglalaban din ang Mongolia at China alas 3 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ang Indonesia ang Thailand alas 6 ng gabi. Maghaharap ang Gilas Pilipinas at Hong Kong alas 7:30 ng gabi na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Heto naman ang game schedule ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 Window 2, November 25, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang New Zealand at Chinese Taipei alas 2 ng hapon. Maglalaban din ang Palestine at Jordan alas 7:45 ng gabi. Magharap naman ang India at Kazakhstan alas 8:30 ng gabi. Kakalabanin naman ang United Arab Emirates ang Bahrain alas 11 ng gabi. Heto naman ang game schedule ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 Window 2, November 26, 2024 Philippine Time. Magharap ang Saudi Arabia at Iraq alas 12:45 ng madaling araw. Maglalaban naman ang Qatar at Iran alauna ng madaling araw. Magsasalpukan naman ang Lebanon at Syria alas 3 ng madaling araw. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng FIBA Asia Cup Window 1 na makarry over sa FIBA Asia Cup Window 2. Sa Group A, Australia 2 win 0 loss 4 points. South Korea 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Thailand 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Indonesia 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Sa Group B naman, Philippines 2 win 0 loss 4 points. New Zealand 2 win 0 loss 4 points. Hong Kong 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Chinese Taipei 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Sa Group C, Japan 2 win 0 loss 4 points. China 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Guam 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Mongolia 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Sa Group D, Jordan 2 win 0 loss 4 points. Saudi Arabia 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Iraq 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Palestine 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Sa Group E, Iran 2 win 0 loss 4 points. Kazakhstan 2 win 0 loss 4 points. Qatar 0 win 2 losses 2 points. India 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Sa Group F, Lebanon 2 win 0 loss 4 points. Syria 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Bahrain 1 win 1 loss 3 points. United Arab Emirates 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.